I would say that there is added academic challenge when it comes to the Honors College, specifically for an engineering student where there's already a lot of coursework. However, at the same time, there are a lot of opportunities, not only for personal development, but also for career development that I've experienced firsthand.
The challenge is not in the amount of work, it's in how one manages their time.
One thing that I didn't expect for GCU was professors actually knowing me as a person and investing in me. My freshman year of engineering, I was really struggling. I didn't really know what I was doing. I felt less confident in myself. And Professor LaBelle reached out to me and he asked me to come check out his lab. And I feel like it was the first time that someone actually saw something in me and had more confidence in me than I had in myself.
My professors are quite accessible. In fact, that was one of the reasons why I chose GCU, because professors are required to have 20 office hours a week. So I found that during quizzes or when I have large projects, it's very easy for me to find time to sit with professors and answer any of my questions I need. I didn't know I'd have so many things available to me right off the bat, especially in the LaBellelabs. There's just about any tool you could possibly need, that coupled with the engineering shops. Dr. LaBelle, he was really helpful in setting me up with a business off campus called Lux Precision Manufacturing. And he also got me in touch with his brother-in-law because I'm interested in model rocketry. And that's something he does. And I was really appreciative of that because I had just met him and I felt like he was already giving a lot of help for me.
I feel like all honors courses have allowed me to gain better understanding of the world through research. So I feel like through these honors courses, I've had a better understanding of how to research and what is the best method of applying those research skills.
LaBelle has gone through and looked at my resume. He's given resume workshops. He's sat with me and talked to me before interviews and prepared me. And I think it's amazing because the honors faculty has context to the field. They've all worked in the field. They know what they're talking about and what people are looking for. And so I feel like that has prepared me for the field more than any class could.
I think what stands out most is how many opportunities there are to interact with other students. So it's allowed me to get some really close friends who are also in the Honors College and share my same degree.
Everyone in Honors College is willing to put in that extra work, put in that extra step to make friends. And everyone in Honors College is so nice that one can just go up to anyone and strike a conversation regardless of their faith, their major. You could just go up to someone randomly and just be like, hey, my name is Divya, I would love to talk to you, and just start a conversation. And then the next thing you know, you're like best friends.
I would say Honors College is challenging, but very much worth it in the sense that there's a lot of opportunities for networking and personal growth.